very easy appetizer. Sarah and I today are going to make some bacon wrapped stuffed dates. Here we have some goat cheese, and to it we're going to add a little bit of this honey. Again, it's my brother's honey from Italy, and these bees harvested the pollen from chestnut trees. We're gonna mix all these ingredients together, and then we will stuff our dates with it. Here we have some bacon strips, and we're going to cut them in half like this. And these we will use to wrap around the dates. We're gonna open our dates up, and of course we took all the pits out. And right here, we're going to stuff them with a bit of this goat cheese, and then wrap them with a little bit of bacon. Ooh, can you imagine how good this will be? We'll place it right on here, and we'll go to the next one. When our kids were little, we had the bright idea of getting goats to help clean the land. Well, the goats very often did not want to eat what they were supposed to eat, like the briars and all that, but they would go to the neighbor's yard and eat the bark off their olive trees. So David would have to take them, all the goats, and place them in a certain area where they could actually eat the grass. The problem was, one, that nobody wanted to get the male goat because he stunk so badly. As most of you probably know, the male goat has a specific smell to him because that's the way he attracts the females. Anyways, whoever had to get the male goat and tie him up in a certain area dreaded it immensely, because then his or her hands would smell for forever. So that is why in our family, not everybody likes goat cheese, because it reminds them of that smell. I have learned to really appreciate it now. And this is going to be a wonderful dessert, or actually appetizer, that we'll be able to enjoy. The oven is lit outside, and here we're preparing our last two. We'll wrap them quickly with some bacon, the leftover bacon. What is so nice with these stuffed dates is you can prepare them way ahead of time and then refrigerate them, and when it's time to almost serve them, put them in the oven. Check out the fire there. There's not an active fire going on, but just hot enough to bake these guys. You guys, if you could smell what we are smelling right now, and look at these guys. Oh my goodness. Our stuffed dates wrapped in bacon are ready to be placed on this platter. And this will be a most delicious appetizer for any crowd. Ooh, they smell so good. I'm going to put a little sprig of mint on here, maybe even a pansy. And then I'm gonna have to taste one. And look at this date. It's stuffed with goat cheese and wrapped with bacon. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. Bon appetit.